Campus Stack uses NetBeans IDE for application development. This video demonstrates the installation process of Apache NetBeans 12.3 in Windows. Download Apache NetBeans 12.3 installer from the official website, netbeans.apache.org. Open the installation file. The installer is getting initialized. By default, the installer will install the base IDE, Java Standard and Enterprise Edition, HTML5, JavaScript, and PHP. Click on Next to continue. Accept the agreement and proceed to the next step. The NetBeans IDE will be installed in the folder C:"Program Files, NetBeans 12.3. The JDK for NetBeans is already installed, and it is located in the folder C:"Program Files, Java, JDK 16.0.1. Click on Next to proceed to the summary of installation. After verifying the summary, click on Install to start the installation process. The installation process is completed successfully. Click on Finish. Let us open the IDE. This is the IDE and you may start creating new projects. The next video in this series will demonstrate Java Web Application Development in this IDE.